have to come in here to talk to you. It's a very busy road out there. Well, we are now at a place called Abbey, and Dave saw this. He's just peeking round the door up there. Hi Dave. We was following Dave today, and Dave saw this on the road sign, and then he took another detour off into another little town. So then we had to do a detour, turn round and then come back. But it was built in 1219 and obviously demolished in the Reformation. But it looks like quite a big site. And one good thing, there is no signs saying no drones. So guess what, people? The drone's going up. It's in the backpack. The drone is going up, so we can get a proper view of how this abbey looked. I mean, some of it you can't go in because they fenced it off. Obviously they deem it too unsafe. But we can have a look round. Now they're saying this was the kitchen. There's the kitchen fitter. I can't see much of the units in here, but you know, it's knocking on a bit. And these were the cellars. Have a quick read of that. Right, I've had to cut short the tour for the Abbey because my brand new SD card keeps corrupting files. I've formatted it 2 or 3 times now to try and get it to work, and it keeps doing the same thing. So I'm going to have to give up and go and get another new SD card. Called Pitsligo Castle. There's not a lot of information about this castle. Let's see if we can find a date for it. There is absolutely no information whatsoever around this place. So there's a few coat of arms. I shall have to search the internet to find any more information about it. There's one up there that's 1577. Right, I've managed to find out a bit of information about Pitsligo Castle, and it's had quite a long life really, and that one's 1603. It was owned by William Forbes, and he was the second son of John Blacklet Forbes, and in 1423, William married Agnes, the daughter of William Fraser. Let's go and have an explore, shall we? Let's go in here. All I can assume is some sort of store. Usual graffiti lying around. I'm thinking this is the kitchen. Personally, that looks like a chimney. Oh shit. Mind the step. This must have been some sort of store as well. Yeah, so William began work on Pitsligo Castle in 1424. Quite a nice view. Come behind this step. Let's see if we can get up here, shall we? Probably not supposed to. Oh, it seems solid enough. There's various date stones around. They were probably added for repairs or extensions. Let's have a look up here. Try not to disturb all the nesting birds. All the pigeons. All the sparrows and pigeons that are making nests. I mean, they're obviously trying to preserve it. The amount of shoring up that they've done. Scaffolding holding that lot up there. Now the castle decayed for centuries until 1988 when an American magnate, Malcolm Forbes, who is related to them, he's a descendant of Lord Forbes of Pitsligo, he repaired the fortress enough to prevent further decay. And his children gave the Pitsligo Castle to Pitsligo Castle Trust. Let's go up these stairs. I hadn't noticed these stairs. I don't want to walk too far in here. This is why I didn't want to walk too far into that scaffolding, because that floor is held up by this lot, and rusty scaffolding holding that floor up, and rusty scaffolding holding the floor above that up. And the seat size of this rock here, they've just built the wall round it. It's only a little rock, isn't it? They've done a bit of restoration work. You can see it up there and up there. I'll try and find more information out on the internet. One more room. Another one that's held up by scaffolding. A year after he was married, William secured the charter for the lands of Abbey and Pitsligo, which is what I'm calling Pitsligo, because I'm not Scottish. Anyway, remember King James I in a previous video? Well, he's back again. It's been around a while, because he confirmed this charter. See where else we get to today.